Kevin, I've done hundreds of vlogs already in the last couple of years. Today's vlog is something that's breaking history. Yishai, how old are you?
15 years old.
15 years old, and you have a company. How many workers?
2 employees at the moment.
2 employees. How many vehicles on the road?
2 vans.
2 vans on the road.
Yeah.
How much do you make an average day?
No, so we can't disclose how much we make. We can disclose how much we charge.
How much do you charge for a full detailed car wash?
So it's not really so much a car wash. It's a full head-to-toe cleaning. So we steam, we shampoo. It's a full 2-3 hour intense cleaning. You'll see we're gonna take out the seats and everything. So a cleaning could run anywhere between $199 to $299, all depending on the condition of the car. We also have monthly services, which is a lot cheaper. But you could show them your car. We'll have a crazy before and after.
I'm embarrassed to show them my car, but I'm gonna do it for the vlog. My car,
so we do a full job. So all of these seats get taken out. All of these plastic compartments.
Look how dirty my car is. I'm embarrassed, but I'm gonna show it.
Yeah, show them the middle console.
I'm not the type of father that screams at my kids. They can't eat in the car. My kids get the privilege to eat in the car and make the car dirty. And that's why we have Yishai over here. He's gonna do a full detail. So this is before. We're gonna show you guys the afters. But more impressed is a little. When did you open the business? How old were you?
I opened up the business when I was about 12 and a half years old. We can show them the paper.
12, let me
how
see.
It started.
12 and a half years old, this guy opened up a business.
I started with a little push wagon and I was working, keep on hustling. Originally it started as just an idea. I was in a yeshiva that ended at like 2-3 o'clock.
Which yeshiva? Shai Razin?
No, the guy's name is Rabbi Newberger.
Okay.
It's a small yeshiva in Rabbi Weiner's shul. And they had like a little room. All the boys would learn from like 9 a.m. They'd go to Shachris, the Shiners. And then they would stop like 3 o'clock. So we told all the kids, if you want to make some money, go to Shiners, clean some cars for $20, just do a vacuum.
That's you.
So he told all the kids the idea. I was the only one that took the idea and turned it into reality. So I got a vacuum, I got a wagon. So we made the business Shiner Mobile Detailing because we wanted to, you know, match the
Shiner, because you started by Shiners.
Shiner cleaning, whatever. So last minute, they said we have permission, but then they told us a minute before that we don't want more traffic, so they said we can't do it. So I said, okay, Shine. My mother told me wanting to go to people's houses.
1 minute, so you said your mother and your father are behind you and backing you?
Not really behind me, but originally my mother gave me the first initial $200 to start because I had no money
So
in my
your mother
pockets.
bought you the wagon, the buckets?
So without the wagon, my mother bought me the buckets, the vacuum, the schmatas, things like that. And then we had signs custom made to put by Shiner, so you drive by and then you come in the back and get your car cleaned. But last minute they said we have no permission in the end. They don't want so much traffic. So I decided to get a wagon. And then I have my electric skateboard and I went around for 9 months just getting taxis to a neighborhood. I would hustle the whole day for 12 hours, knocking on doors, $10 car wash, putting business cards all over mailboxes, going to Evergreen on Fridays and Thursdays. People probably seen it before, a little car like 2 or 3 years ago by their window. So it was definitely a real hustle in the beginning.
You are a mad hustler, man. And you're 12 years old over here.
This is
12 years old.
And then as I went, it began. Then we got a van, Shiner Mobile Detailing.
How old were you when you got the first van?
I got the van, it was probably, I think, about a 13 and a half.
You couldn't even drive the van.
I couldn't drive. Now I still can't drive the van.
How old are you now?
15. So 8 months until I can get my permit. And then to drive by yourself was like 16 and a half.
So you have people, your workers drive you?
Yes, I have workers drive me.
This is
so
crazy.
We're tied down to the employees to really run the show.
You need your employees.
Yeah, I can't live without them.
That is insane. And from there?
From there, as the business went on, we decided that we really want to make the business next level. So we did a major rebranding. If you see over here, it's Shiner Mobile Detailing. Mm-hmm. We had just a random business number, and we really wanted to make this business stand out. So if you see our phone number, it's a custom phone number.
212?
212 Car Wash. They're just like 1-800-GOT-JUNK or phone number that's
so you
custom.
Made a special number for
so the phone number is the same as the business name, the business email, the business website. Everything is 212 Car Wash. So now, if somebody asks you, what's the car wash's boy phone number? 212 Car Wash. Not a random 845 number.
212 Car Wash.
Number,
and you're called the Car Wash Boy? People call you?
Car Wash Boy, Hustler Boy, whatever you want to call it. I'll accept it.
So what's your highest price of a car wash?
So we do other things just than car washes. We do ceramic coating, buffing, like different services that protect the exterior. So top service could be $1,000, $2,000, but in the Jewish market, it's not really so.
Right, you're not doing really the Ferraris and the Lambos.
So we do a bunch of high-end vehicles, but for the Jewish community, it's more of like full details.
The full detail.
So let's show you. We do all types of cars. Let's go on.
What was your top car you got?
I'll show you cars that we did here. We do crazy Lamborghinis all day.
Oh my goodness.
We do a bunch of vehicles. We do everyone's Maybach.
So you get the nice cars, Maybachs and all that.
So these are mostly, non-Jewish customers. And then we have many customers.
I'm sure out of the Jewish world, you also have a lot of...
For sure. We just came back. We do a Mercedes. We do like 25 guys Mercedes here in Muncie on a monthly schedule.
Do you see people jumping at you because you're 15 years old and you have such a business?
So in the beginning, I think a lot of people were reaching out to me because I had other videos and other things that people
it's cool. It's cool.
100%. So in the beginning, I think a lot of people were calling me because I was so young. But now it got to a point where it's such a legit business. People call me all day. I need my car done. I'm selling it. I'm this, I'm that. So now it got to the point where it's a business that runs because it runs. But in the beginning, I think a lot of people definitely called because of my age, yeah.
Guys, this is insane. One more question. Your father is like, they pump your parents?
So when I started with my wagon, my father told me the idea, why don't we get the van? Why don't we make it professional?
Really? So your father's
he gave me the original motivation. I was like, are you sure we're going to be busy? What if we get the van? We only have one customer a day. He said, just get the van. Hashem will do the rest. Do your shtadlus. So we got the van. But besides that, I run the whole day-to-day business, reaching out to customers, doing the bookings, the cleanings. We have the accountant that does the back-end bookings. But besides that, everything's ran by me. Wow. Father has his own business, yeah.
Your father has his own business. What does your father do?
He does custom cabinetry.
Oh, really?
So he has my own business. My mother has her own business. So we're all entrepreneurs.
Really? That's crazy. Entrepreneurs. You ever, just curious question, probably not, but like anybody ever screwed you over because you are so young and they thought, hey, I could take advantage of it?
No, not at all.
Never?
Hashem, not at all.
You never had an incident to say, hey, this guy's a 13-year-old boy.
No. People obviously originally thought that I'm not so professional because of my age, but then once they saw we have a Google page, 250 5-star only reviews.
Wow.
They see the reputation behind it, yeah.
That is insane, man. That is insane. Yeah. I am so proud of you. You are probably the youngest entrepreneur in the Amish market, for sure.
So if you see over here, we're going to take apart all the seats. Now, most
oh my gosh, can I show this to my viewers?
Yeah, so most companies that do a cleaning take out the seats, but we're also going to take off the plastic trimming all around. Plastic trimming comes off.
So the plastic trimming comes off, and this is going to become a full... oh my God!
Most companies never do this.
No,
they only take out
they don't
the
take
seats.
that off.
So when 95%
I never knew this exists in my car.
Correct. So 95% of times when you get a Pesach cleaning, it's really not even Pesach big.
Really?
Unless you take everything out of the car, plastic trimming, the whole 9 yards.
You do the real deal, the real hustle. We have some Imperial nuts over there.
If you come over here, look, all of these trimmings over here. These plastic trimmings, they all look all the schmutz
No
in there.
way, guys.
It's the full
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's no joke. So that's why we charge so much, because it's a proper job.
So such a car wash I'm getting today is a good, what, $700-800?
Probably around the $300 range for a full detail on the interior. Steam, shampooing, the whole 9 yards, yeah.
Guys, this is gonna be crazy. I'm gonna come back in about 20 minutes, half hour. How long
20 minutes,
you?
2 hours.
2 hours?
No, but you'll come back in an hour and a half to see the progress, the update.
This is crazy. I'm so excited. This video is going to go viral,
This is a long time in the making. Baruch Hashem, we're gonna get it done today at the expo.
All right, Yishai, I'm gonna go in and I'll be back here in an hour and a half. Let's see what you're doing.
Big results.
Amazing. Kevin, I'm back in with Yishai. 3.5 hours.
Yeah,
I felt like years.
Intense cleaning on this car.
3.5 hours later, I'm by the Satmana Expo. First of all, big shout out. He comes wherever you are.
Water, electricity, 100-gallon water tank, generators.
So you could come to desert.
In the desert. That's exactly the same way I tell customers. We can do the vehicle anywhere.
Anywhere.
House, office, whole 9
So
yards.
you don't need any water, you don't need anything. You come with everything.
Yeah, white glove service.
So he called me up. He says, Chaim, you can lick the car. Now you also how dirty the car was before. This thing is spotless. I mean, I've been doing car washes in the past. Yeah. I never had such an experience.
There's a car wash and there's a detail. That's the difference. You can show them all the cracks, all the crevices.
He says if I find a piece of dirt, it's a full refund over here.
Exactly.
Not one. And normally, when you do car washes by people, between the seats, usually you find stuff over there in the crevices. Have a look at this. Between the seats, the steering wheel.
Show them the buttons, everything.
The buttons.
The air vents, whole 9 yards.
Nothing that you can catch him on. The guy is insane. Crazy. Every piece, every button, every switch, dashboard. My goodness. Wow. This is insane.
Yeah.
Under the seats. He took everything off.
All the plastic trimming was off. Full job. This is what a paisa dika cleaning is called.
This is not normal. This is not normal.
The only thing is that we do this all year round.
All year round. Guys, this is insane. Where do you service?
So the main areas that we service right now is Muncie and Monroe. I'm saying we're in Muncie 24/7. And we usually typically come down to Monroe at least once a week. We have monthly customers there and things like that.
Monroe, okay.
Monroe once a week.
How about the Catskills in the summer now?
Not yet. It's
not
not worth it for us. It's a hard industry to grow where you can have so many workers, because it's more like an owner-operated business. It's hard to find a worker that will do a perfect job, because it's hard to, let's say, have them in the mindset like they're the owner, being that they're getting paid $25, $30 an hour, so it's hard to find and grow the crew,
Wow. Yishai, I want to ask you a question.
Yeah.
If there's one thing a customer can understand when you do a detail, what would it be?
So I would say the most important thing that a customer can understand once we're done a job is that no vehicle could be perfect. It could be a brand new Mercedes, a brand new BMW. Every car has its imperfections, especially when you do a 2-year-old car, 3-year-old car. Like we'll take a look, for example, on your car. Your car is a 2024, so it's a 2-year-old car, and there's marker on the seat, there's some paint around, you know, if you look at the gas pedals, it might look a shtickle dirty and brown. This is all just wear and tear. So customers have to understand that when we do a detail, the vehicle is being done to the fullest. But there's obviously things here and there, like scratches on the plastic panels that are obviously going to be impossible to get out. So like we want to try to always bring it to customers as best as possible, that it's always impossible to make a car perfect. Not that we can't make the cleaning perfect, but you have to scratch.
Yeah, but if something's really scratched, you can't fix that.
Correct, yeah, wear and tear.
Wow.
Yeah.
One more question, Yishai. For young entrepreneurs, or for
entrepreneurs in general.
Entrepreneurs in general, what is your key to success? What's your message to somebody to be successful?
I'm going to say the same thing I said when I got interviewed like 2 years ago, the same line. Everybody listening because the glitch is still working. No, I'm just joking, it's a joke. But a lot of amuna betachon, obviously understanding that everything happens for a reason, because when you're at a job, the generator breaks, the vacuum shuts down, the air compressor stops working, the steamer gets ran over by a customer. These old things happen to me. You have to understand that, number one, everything happens for a reason. And not always we obviously see the reason why it happens, but the main thing, I said this 2 years ago when I got interviewed, is giving Meiser. As soon as I started giving 10%,
Really?
15%, 20% Meiser, that's the game changer.
Who do you give your Meiser to?
So a couple people, I try to help out everybody because I get a lot of I love giving and helping other people.
It's a good feeling to give.
So I give it to everybody. My rebbeim, I give it to people that reach out, people that post on status, yeah.
That's an amazing thing to hear from someone like you.
Amuna, betacham, giving
and
tzedakah, Meiser, that's all you need.
Wow. This is an amazing message for everybody. Meiser. Keep on giving. First of all, it's a good feeling, and it's a mitzvah, and it helps you grow.
Saying the best mitzvah you could do is help a guy another year.
Amazing.
So,
Chevra,
whoever you're giving the Meiser to.
I'm blown away by this. Like I said, this is going to be a crazy vlog. I never did anything like this. And use him just to get to know him. It's worth to call him up, cool him down, have him clean your car, and just a chapashmooze with him. This is the most amazing entrepreneur I met yet.
It was a pleasure.
Yishai, it's been a pleasure.
Likewise.
And Chevra, the phone number is 212 Car Wash.
Correct.
227-9274.
Go to the WhatsApp.
I'm going to put a WhatsApp link, Chevra, after the video. Join his status. Sign up to his status because he posts amazing content. Good videos about car washes. Amuna betachon, Meiser. Get it all by Yishai. Chevra, we're going to have to wrap it up now. Wow, I'm blown away. Look at this, how neat he organized everything. Everything's misided.
So that's a part of the experience. We like to organize the chargers. We don't want to give it where the customer has a whole mess to put back in the car. So we like to organize things, take all the garbage.
MKY.
Nice pile.
Amazing. Can we see your truck a minute? I didn't check out your truck yet.
Yeah, so it's a truck. We can show you inside. So you'll see the water tank. This is how we come down. We do 5 outside washes. So you see our van is very abused because that's how you know we're successful. A lot of other car wash detail companies have a brand new, they clean the van after each car, and that's how you know they're not making money. We abuse our van, we go fast, in and out.
Oh, this guy's good.
Yeah.
Yishai is good. Yishai, one day you're going to be a big marketeer in Clyde's show.
That's the plan.
That's the plan, Chevra. 212 Car Wash. Call Yishai, tell him you saw the video. He'll hook you up with a beautiful detail and some chizik on the way.
Yeah.
Wow, you got all the sprays over here.
Everything.
Power wash, hoses, vacuums. This guy got it all. You take care of your accounting, your money alone, or you have somebody?
So like I said, I do everything business-wise besides the accounting. We have Baruch Hashem, amazing accountant. They do the books, the back end, and the rest I take care of.
Solid. You have an LLC, a full setup?
Everything. We pay insurance, tax,
That's crazy.
Vehicles,
13 years old playing insurance. Are people shocked like when you call up an accountant and say, I want to open an LLC? How old are you, 13 years old?
My uncle is the one that helped me open everything up originally, because this is going back 2 years ago. So my uncle is the one that made all the logistics, but now everything's on track.
Crazy. Yishai, it's been a pleasure. Thank you so much.
Enjoy.
Have a great day.